Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to send money on Wise. So simply just open your main dashboard. After that click on send money, and now here, so now if you want to make international payments, simply just select the money that you want to send, and you can also convert this money into your local currency. Like I have selected Indian rupees. So after that just click on continue, and here in this personal or business transfer, simply select this one or this one. It's upon your choice. Simply I select personal. Now here, first fill your details like full legal or first or legal. Simply just type your name here, and after that just type your last name here, and now here select your birth date, and after that just type your cell phone number here. Now here you can also fill your address, like I'm typing random address here. You can also enter your city here, and you can also type your postal code here. Now click on continue. So here, who are you sending money to, myself or someone else? So simply if you want to send myself, just click here. So here you can see you have to enter your bank account number, IFSC code. So simply when you type here and click on confirm, your payment will be sent. And now if you want to send money to someone else, simply click on someone else. So here you have to type the email of someone, and after that here you can type the full account holder name, and here IFSC code and account number, and click on confirm. So in this way you can send money on Wise.